Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for today's recipe I have a thicker soup that is called Zolbabfozelek. This is from Hungary. Fozelek itself, it means stew, or yeah, that's it, thick soup. So this is kind of like not stew, but it's thicker soup. You'll see. Maybe I should say that this soup is inspired by Zolbabfozelek, because although it is similar to the original Zolbabfozelek, green beans too. Zolbab means green beans, which I forgot to mention that. Anyways, I also added stuff or ingredients that maybe no Hungarians use it. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is about half kilogram of green beans. They were frozen. You want to halve it. If it's longer like this, about halve it. And then I have a box of mushroom. Normally they don't use mushroom in the fozelek, but I have mushroom to use, so I'm gonna add mushroom. And also we're gonna use the onion and about 5 garlic. For now, let's clean the mushroom first. So just peel the skin and then chop the bottom a little. Once you clean the skin and chopped off the stem, the bottom part of the stem, you just slice them and then place it right away into your non-stick pan. Then give a little water to the mushroom and drain them. So that is just to give them a quick rinse. Now for the green beans, because they were frozen, you just kind of slice them into 3 parts. You want to chop them, but not small chops. So this what you will get, about that size. Give a quick rinse and drain them, and then we're gonna fill up the pot with water for at least 2.5 quart or 2.5 liter. Add half of onion, a large onion, and 5 garlic that I halved as well. And now we're gonna bring this to boil. Meanwhile boiling, we're gonna stir fry our mushroom just to soften it. So it's only the rinsed sliced mushroom, just to soften it before we add it into the pot along with the green beans. So just keep stir frying until there's no liquid, or you can drain the liquid if you like. But what we're gonna add into the pot, just the mushroom. Once the green beans are boiling, lower the heat and add 1 tablespoon of celery salt. This is different, of course, from the real fozelek. I don't think people add celery salt, but I want to add celery salt to mine. Now we're gonna add the mushroom to the pot. Maybe I should call this fozelek inspired instead the real fozelek, because I'm adding stuff that are normally not used in the fozelek. Now cover the pot and let it simmer in medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna make the martash or roux. So this is about 1/3 cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of paprika powder and about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You're gonna fry it, and then you're gonna add cold water so it becomes like a thickener for the soup. The soup, we're gonna add 2 bouillon. You can have veggies or chicken or beef flavor. Mine is mixed. It's veggie one, the lighter color, and beef the other one. Now for this fozelek or thick soup, almost like stew, sometimes the Hungarians will add sour cream and it will be called tbsp, but this one I'm not using sour cream, so only the martash or only the roux. Once the roux is done, we're gonna put it into our pot. Now I have this dill pickle dip that I purchased for my oldest because he loves bagel, but now he cannot eat bagel. I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon of this into the pot. Now your fozelek is ready. Fozelek inspired, maybe I should say, before someone protests.